In this video, I'll be going over what is first person point of view. This is Mr. Justin, and let's get those notebooks out and start writing. First person point of view is the angle from which the story is being told. The narrator is part of the story. We see it through their eyes. The first person point of view is that of the character's opinions, moods, past experiences, or even biased ones. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. For example, if a person was bullied throughout school and that bully ends up changing and becoming good, we'll only see the bully as a bully through the narrator's past experiences. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Here's your homework assignment. Write an intro paragraph using the pronoun I. The genre is up to you. Comment it down below, and I'll start with my example now. My introduction paragraph. The night is dark and the sky cloudy. Cold chills run down my spine as I tiptoe through the mysterious forest. Branches break all around me. Yellow eyes appear ahead. I freeze.
Please don't forget me.
If you guys want to continue using my story, you can use that. If you cannot come up with an introduction paragraph, that is completely fine. Thank you so much for tuning into this video to the very end. I hope you're getting great content on what is first person point of view. I will be going over the other point of views in my future videos, so do not forget to like and subscribe this video. And if you guys want to continue with your creative writing lessons, just hit these videos or playlists above me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. This QR code will take you to the links to my other creative writing lessons channels, along with my own personal kids books that I self-published on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.